Part 2.
Part 2 na yan.
Sam, I thought I told you
parang part
Dooms and
two.
BBs were a dangerous
part one.
combination. Perhaps a shower is in order.
Part 2 na to eh.
You're still
Continuation.
covering Chiralium. Don't want the president to see you like that.
The hell you talking about? She's dead.
You're upset. Is this about BB-28?
Go fuck yourself. I'm not your hair boy.
Go fuck yourself.
In any event, it seems it owes you its life.
No, we owe the kid our lives. You too.
As you say, I shall look after it. Give my regards to the president.
Naka-hologram siya dyan, no? Wala siya dyan, eh. Ay, hindi. Hawak
Hindi,
niya
wala
yung...
siya.
Hawak niya, eh. Makakaligo rin.
Grabing dumi. Yan naman. Maligid.
It's almost time to go, Sam. Here.
You know, parang kwintas ni Aaron, eh. no?
Wear it when you sleep, and I'll keep the nightmares away. I'll always be with you.
Episode 2.
Amelie.
Episode 2 na. Episode na tayo, mga sir.
Good morning, Sam.
Grabe naman mukha yan. Lamas ko naman, sir.
This is Die Hardman. Just take a moment to clean up.
Clean up. Shower. Slight butt naked din.
Grabe naman yan.
For fuck's sake.
Isn't anything like anymore. Take a shower. Grabe nga na yung toilet.
Getting yourself cleaned up. Good. Come to the president's office as soon as you're done. She's waiting for you.
Patay na yung president, di ba? O bagong president.
Ay, yata.
So may bagong president. Isolation ward, president office.
You did well, Sam. Thank you. Bridget may no longer be with us, but her legacy has a chance to live on.
To White House.
Sam, listen to me. America, Reconstructionism, her dream isn't dead.
I don't want to hear it.
This is the face of our new hope. Our new America.
Oh. So hindi to Cairo something. Totoo to.
Ay, ano pa rin yata yan?
Hologram.
My mother may be gone.
Ngayon si Amelie.
And you, Sam?
Wait, kapatid niya si Sam?
Yata.
May mother will be gone eh, sabi. So,
Been 10 years
nanay rin na
since
Sam
she
yung
saw
namatay,
his
di ba?
birthright. And
Kasi
in all
sinabi niya
that
nanay
time,
niya.
she hasn't aged a day.
He knows why. My body's still on the beach.
Mhm.
I don't get to grow older. But you do, Sam. You look good.
So you're serious then about reconnecting everyone? Everything?
Mhm.
Someone has to succeed Bridget, Sam. More importantly, someone has to carry on her legacy and see our country rebuilt. Samantha America Strand, our new president. A new beginning for our people, for our nation. Under Emily's leadership, we'll re-establish the UCA, the United Cities of America. This
Hindi ko na
is
get
how we'll
na
rebuild our country. But we'll need your
my
help
mother
to
will
do
be
it,
gone.
Sam.
No.
So, ibig sabihin, nanay niya rin yun.
I said my goodbyes to
Tama
all
ba
of
yun?
you when I said to Bridget.
We never forgot about you, Sam. You ran away. You cut us off.
Emily put together an expedition. The best of Bridges won and went west.
Hmm. Nip po. K2.
Whoa.
I led them past craters in BT territory. I kept them
I kept them
as
safe
well
while
as
they
searched for
searched for survivors.
Never
Okay.
once missed a BT. Saw him coming a mile away.
Mga BT to yun.
Parang ano, yung
Parang
We
May
convinced
ka
community
nila.
after community.
umbilical cord. No.
And we left behind our own
Pangan.
people to help them. It
Pang-
took us
pang-
3
panganak.
years,
Hmm.
but we managed to make it all the way. to
Parang may
Edgemont.
nagko-control sa kanila eh.
All the way to the Pacific. Jesus.
Yeah. But then everything went to hell. The team was wiped out, and Emily was taken.
Mhm. Okay.
Taken.
I'm
By
not
who?
being kept in a cell or anything like that. I'm allowed to use their facilities and to speak with you whenever I want. I just can't leave the city.
Okay.
It's all to safeguard the continued independence of Edgenut City. That's what the keepers are saying, at least. They want the UCA to leave them be. Emily's their insurance policy in case we don't.
Who are these assholes again?
Homo demons. Militant
Homo
separatist
demons,
group.
militant separatist group.
They run Edgenut
Edgenut City.
I've heard of them. Bunch of terrorists that go around towns killing people, leaving craters.
Right. Nothing's off limits for them. Not even engineering void outs.
You think the suicide that took out Central Knot was one of theirs?
Could be. There are extremists like the demons everywhere, plotting in the shadows. They're decentralized by nature. No one organization to rule them all. Just a common ideology.
I know not everyone shares our vision for the future. If we Americans don't come together again, humanity won't survive.
Parang politics talaga eh. If
I
we
carry my
Americans
mother's
don't,
message to people all across the country.
di
And
sila
not
nagkasundo.
everyone was willing to accept it.
America's done.
More than a few would rather stay isolated. Keep to
Parang
themselves.
ano yun nangyari.
Go
Parang yung
alone.
nangyayari ngayon. Parang nagkakaroon sila ng
Like
mga
you,
civil war eh, no?
They think that America can only be rebuilt by force, by men who tell them what to do, who take away their freedom and put them in shackles.
What'd you put on me? Huh? You know better than the demons. Just another kind of cult.
They're not shackles, Sam. They're a
Simple
symbol of
purpose.
our bonds. That's what we need right now. Not to stand apart, but to come together. To form chiral knots and reconnect.
Form chiral knots.
Parang,
Sam, we want you to go west and finish what
Go
Emily
west?
started.
Gusto si Emily kasi pumunta ng west. So gusto niya
setting up
tapusin ni
chiral
Sam.
network terminals. But these terminals are
I-connect
still
lahat.
isolated.
oh, yan.
We
Na
need you
naumpisahan
to
niya.
bring them online.
Yun,
And for
kailangan
that,
yung gawing online
You'll need
niya
a
tayo.
Cupid.
Mhm. All you
This
need
contains all the necessary
unnecessary
security and operation protocols to integrate a terminal
terminal
into
into a chiral web
Take the Cupid west, Sam, and
and
reconnect,
the people of our great nation.
And when you get to Edgenut City,
Find
Find Emily.
Emily and bring her home.
Okay?
So hahanapin natin si Emily.
Mm.
After that, I'll take over the presidency and carry on Mother's work to save the country.
this was Bridget's dying wish. This is how we'll move forward.
Mhm.
Please, Sam. We need you.
Mhm.
I'm Sam Porter Bridges now. I'm not a Strand. Hell, I'm not even a part of this outfit. You all saw that. I'm not getting involved with you or anyone else ever again.
Wait!
See? It's like I'm not even here. Same as it ever was.
Sam! Sam!
Part ako ng Walking Dead group.
Stop! Listen to me. America needs you. Both of you.
Yeah, covering the world in cable didn't bring an end to Warren's suffering. Don't act surprised when it all comes apart if you try to do it again. Round and round it goes. Connect, reconnect, it's not that simple.
All right, Sam. Just take it easy. I get it.
I-install ka lang naman daw sir
You
ng
don't have
ano,
to commit
fiber
to anything
optics
now.
tsaka PLD.
Why not get some rest?
Nag-install ng internet connection.
Good idea. We all need our sleep.
Yeah.
Either too long and you're liable to reconnect with the other side. The necessary maintenance has been completed. Various adjustments and fine-tuning for your benefit. You can use it again.
Saka nakakakita, magdi-deliver ka na nga,
The ones
isi-save
that
mo
we
pa
see
yung
in the
world
dooms
or
and
isi-save mo yung
DVs
nation.
are a good combination.
Meron ka pa dalang bata.
Na hindi tumatanda.
Or perhaps the two of you have something of an affinity for one another.
Kulit to. Ganda ng P6 din talaga nito eh. Pati yung pag ano niya sa kamay, yung pagbakat no, dun sa glass. Ibang klase. Sisi! So, to dream ulit.
Yata. Yun yung beach.
Kaya nga nagkakaroon siya ng dream na nandito siya lagi.
Sam. Listen. You are Sam Strand.
Sam Strand.
None. Not anymore.
So si Ate
Sam
Strand.
Porter Bridges.
It's a funny word, Strand. Strand is part of rope or bond, while stranding means being washed up on the shore.
Ah,
And being stranded is when you can't go home.
okay.
I'm stranded.
I'm
now,
stranded now. Okay.
Here
Here on the shore,
Pacific.
Pacific.
Sabihin, kapag stranded, hindi siya makauwi ng
Ah,
bahay.
I mean, parang di siya makabalik sa, ewan ko, reality or something, ganun.
Thousands of miles away. But our bond
Strand,
still holds.
parang yun yung connection or connection ng mga tao or parang ganun eh. Pag sinabi namang stranded,
Parang,
yung hindi ka na makabalik sa,
or
You're free,
matali ka ng ganun.
oh,
but
parang,
we're still connected.
parang lock
Don't tell me we're
or
not.
stranded ka. Parang ganun, yung nakastay ka lang ganun. Kaya parang death stranding. Lalim eh, no?
Oh, nakaano siya dito.
Oo nga eh.
Come back, Sam. I'll be waiting for you.
So yung mission niya, hanapin to.
Tinanggap niya naman yata
Hmm.
yung mission niya.
Parang ito yung ano, no? Cover ng Death Stranding na director's cut. Di ba?
Cover.
Yung cover niya. May tattoo pala siya. Ah, tattoo talaga ni Norman Reedus yun.
Yan?
Hindi, yung dito yata eh. Pero di ko sigurado eh kung tattoo niya talaga yun eh. Baka siguro. Baka nga.
Sam, this is Die Hardman. You were out like a log. Must have been beat. Private rooms come with all the basic amenities. Shower, toilet, etc. Drop in when you need to rest.
Yeah,
But before you do, why not check see
this
how
out.
Bridges operates these days.
Number 3, check BB. Prepare to make delivery.
Sam, this is Desmond. I calibrated your BB based on physiological data we collected from you earlier.
Okay.
After you take it out for a spin, we can check if you're in sync and tweak the BB sensitivity as needed.
Debate.
With that terminal there, you can browse the Bridges database, which has info on. You don't have clearance for everything, but there's still plenty you might find informative.
Wala pa tayo nakakonik eh. No?
Bago pa lang.
Bago pa lang. Sa amin.
Monster.
Monster eh, no? Sponsor, Death Stranding. Ano yan ah? Laki binayad ni Monster dito ah. No?
Tinungga. Dahil...
Goodbye, kidney. Kailangan mo ito kasi isa.
This case will remove any chiral matter still clinging to your suit. Speak.
Pang disposal suit to. No? Disposal suit. Iba-ibang suit eh. Shower.
Sam, Hartman here, researcher devoted to uncovering the secrets of the beaches and the Death Stranding, as well as those of doomed and repatriates. When you relieve yourself, a certain amount of chiral matter is flushed from your system. Chiral matter can adversely affect hormone secretion and nervous function. There's a correlation between exposure and the development of phobias, as well as, in extreme cases, violent and suicidal impulses. Chiralium contamination has even been postulated as a trigger for the onset of dooms. Allow me to collect a sample of your excretions for my studies. They provide a non-invasive means to monitor your exposure to chiralium and your overall health.
Ano ba kulang? 2. Eto.
Hey there. Believe we've met. I oversee delivery operations as well as maintenance and repairs. Nice to have you on board. I'm Mama, in case I didn't mention it before. Those there are strands. Not just used for packing, by the way, but for identification too. Take a closer look and you'll see. See the red there? That's your blood.
What the heck? May ganun pa eh, no? Okay. Parang kamukha yung ano yung kalaban ni Batman sa ano no? The Dark Knight.
Well,
Yung nakamas.
have you had a chance to think it over? Chock full of chiralium, but safe for you Dooms guys to wear. That's all you'll need to go forth and reconnect the world. To make us whole again.
I'm a porter. I don't care about connecting anything. or make it not.
Ayaw niya no?
But I'll do what I have to.
You want to live a simple life ata eh.
Pero gusto niyang tulungan si Emily. Emily. Sabi niya kanina.
Listen up, Sam. The terminals Amelie's people built in the towns and cities they passed through on their journey west are called knots. The infrastructure's there, but the Cairo network is offline. Right now, it's only capable of transmitting voice communications, sometimes wired, sometimes wireless, and a small amount of data.
Pinapakita sa detail eh, no?
So, unless the necessary data stored on site, our chirograms won't show up.
Ayaw ni Kojima ng perfect na flawless.
Emily and the other Bridges members you've seen around the place are grams generating.
Ay, may sabi niya.
Parang hindi nga naman kasi maganda kung sobrang kinis, sobrang yung may mga tigya-tigyawat pa nga sa katawan eh, pati sa mukha oh. Diba? May mga wrinkles. That's JD.
You'll reconnect us not only to each other, but to our past. All the lost and fragmented junk data will be compiled and restored, like bringing a dinosaur back to life from a fossil. $4.6 billion years of history on Earth. All the wisdom and knowledge we lost since the Death Stranding will be ours again. And that, my friend, is how we'll beat this thing. Once you establish Cairo communications, generating grams won't be an issue. You'll also be able to use Cairo printers. Won't be long before we're able to send all kinds of things through the wire.
Except anything original. Or that's got a soul. Nothing real. Just copies.
True. Which is why we'll still need porters like you. Before and after we're made whole, we'll need men in the middle.
No rest for the wicked, huh?
Yeah, well, idle hands and all that. We'll give you the details at the dispatch terminal. Make sure you check it upstairs. Drop's waiting up there too.
These shoes look like they've done some serious miles. Shall I dispose of them?
Wait. Hold on. There's something I want you to look into. My blood seemed to set those things off. Happened more than once.
Set them off? How do you mean?
I don't know. You took my blood, didn't you? You tell me.
All right. I'll see what I can do.
You tell me. Fresh na. Bagong ligo. Good state.
Yata yung nanay niya.
Bedridden mo yung ano niya. Gusto ko malaman saan nanggaling to eh. Hindi yung kabuuan ng story natapos. Siguro sa end natin malalaman to.
Wala pa tayo masyadong alam.
Kaya nga eh.
Maabot lang tayo ng mga episode 4. Kaya hanggang episode 2 lang tayo.
Alam ko ito lang. Nakatulang tayo nun.
Episode 2 lang. Episode 4.
Nag-4 ba tayo? Pala.
So, edit ko na lang kagad yun, no? Pag nasa episode. Basta.
Let's go. Take ko na new order. Saan tayo mag-take new order? Dito, no? F.
Sam, this is Daivar. Your current objective is to extend the Cairo network from here to Portnut City.
Portnut.
I don't think you can make a beeline straight for it. Signal won't carry that far. To cover the distance, we need to utilize knots. Think of it like tying ropes together to make a long rope. The first of these knots is a Bridges Way station. Go ahead and take a look at the order. Deliver whatever they need and connect the Cupid.
Connect the Cupid. Yung maliliit na ano. Take on orders. Accept.
Sam, order summaries may contain information critical to your success. Make sure to review them before getting underway.
Okay. Okay. Way station. Tama ba? Smart drug delivery ulit.
Patayin mo dito, no?
Wala pa nga eh. Oops.
Papa.
Attach on suit, no? Back.
Sam, we've supplied you with some rope and a ladder for this run. They should help with the steeper inclines. And right now, I figure you're thinking about how you want to.
Ano yata ito eh. Maganda i-optimize na lang eh. Meron bang auto?
Hindi ko alam eh.
Carry on back.
Ang dami. Ladder.
Ba't puro ladder?
Offload nga yan.
Offload. F. Yan. Okay na yun.
Order assigned.
Ano ba to?
Wala rin.
Iwan ko na.
Papapigat lang ito.
Wala pang motor.
G.
Ha?
G.
G?
Okay na. Ito na lang yung you can start.
Begin the scan. Have a pleasant journey.
Nakakaliwa dyan.
Sam, triple check your loadout, I take it.
Ha? Wala ba tayo naiwan?
Ayun na. Medyo mabilis na yun.
Sam,
Medyo mabilis na.
you see that sign someone left over there? You can leave some of your own if you'd like. Messages, warning, words of encouragement, whatever comes to mind.
Medyo mabilis na tayo dito.
Paka-chillax lang talaga na ito eh, no? Deliver.
Oh!
Storytelling.
Sam, even the best orders have been known to lose their cargo. You're better than the best. You've
We
got
go
what
wanna
it
take
takes
to
to
finish
finish
what
what
they
they started.
So may mga nagdi-deliver din.
Consider taking them to their intended
Hindi lang
destination.
kayo.
Hindi lang tayo.
Easier than you might.
Pero Kumbaga yun yung mga ibang players ng Death Stranding. Di ba? Lupit eh, no? Parang.
Roundabout way of saying, but that thing on your shoulder can help you locate mislaid shipments.
Alright, go. Kailan ba natin kunin? Mga loss?
Remember, Sam,
Dami yan.
every parcel is a promise made to a person.
Bigat yan. Iwan mo na.
They're counting on you to deliver.
Takbo. Ito madulas to yung mga yellow na. Takbo. Labang sounds dyan. Yun, no? Nick Easton. Sino yung Nick Easton? Kain nga tayo na to. Paano ba kainin yan? 1, 3?
Makita nyo dito.
A living organism not seen before. The Death Stranding. Consuming a crypto biote. Immediately restore a small amount of blood and more and can be eaten.
Heal.
Pang heal, no? So, hindi pa natin kailangan.
Para sa pellets.
Sa pellets.
Zero. Case na mo, walang ka na ng ano. Ano kaya feeling mo? Yung lawang siguro di may yan. Ay,
madali dito.
Ha? Easy.
Sam, if you come up against a sheer cliff or a steep slope,
Don't forget about the ladder.
Be sure to try it out. I'd be interested to see what uses a seasoned pro like you might find for it.
I'll try ladder dito. Nga pwede. Dito.
Ayun na yun, no?
Ito, ano?
Sign doon. Ayun.
Yun.
Yung may ako ng ladder doon.
Dito?
Ano yan?
Parang sign na dito ka mag-ano. Oo.
Tsaka magka-place na ladder.
Ng ladder. Paano nga ulit? 4?
2.
2?
Ayun. 1. Ayun.
Ayan.
Adjust position.
Adjust position. Nice.
Place.
Sakto dun, no? Eh, no? No?
Place ladder.
Space.
Go na.
Galing. F. F. Pala style. Pag may nakita ka na ganun sign, doon ka maglalagay. Para hindi sayang yung ladder mo, no? Pwede bang kunin to? Huwag na. Pwede pa magamit eh.
Sige, makapal na yung sabay ng beauty.
Oo nga pala. Gagabi na, no?
Ay, ulan.
Ay, ulan pala.
Time 4. Oo, hindi nagagabi.
Too far?
Wala yan.
Ayan na. Lintik. Wala na ito sa Cairo Network.
Wow.
Hindi tayo sa baba. Laban ladder dito. Parang wala eh, no?
Wag.
Yan, check lang natin. Oh, wala.
Yan o. Doon. Diretso na lang doon.
Sa baba. Ah, dito. Opya. Ayan na.
Sam, remember that prolonged exposure to time cold damages cargo containers. Don't stay
Yes,
out
sir.
in the rain any longer than you have to.
Parang ano, dalawa yung ano. Yung iba talaga yung susundan natin. May isa pa dun sa likod.
Ito lang. Wala na eh.
Hindi siya kagad dun. Tapos pumabon yung dito.
Paano nga ulit yung ano?
Kaya pag-isipan niya ano yung
Yung...
garbo. Ay. Parang na talaga.
Ayun.
Scan mo muna. Wait, lalim.
Lalim.
Try nyo dun, no?
Doon tayo, no? Kabila. Lalim. Yellow, malalim eh, no? Okay. Pag red, indicate niya malalim. So, hindi malalim yun. Kasi orange ay orange. Yellow lang. So, pwede tayong pumunta. Sakto yung lalim lang. Eh, no?
Scan nyo ulit.
Yellow eh. So, pag red, di ka uubra. Naalala ko may sumubok nito eh. Yung ano nito. Yung scanner nito. Para siyang developer yata yun. Yung tinry niya sa...
YouTuber.
Yung tinry niya sa Blender.
Mahirap.
Mukha siyang madali. Kumbaga sa mga expert sa Blender. Kaya niyang gawin.
Ay, di yan. Blender,
Hindi, I mean, kaya nilang...
engine.
Kaya nilang gawin sa Blender or Unreal Engine. Pero yung mechanics talaga, mahirap na.
Yung animation.
Animation, para ma-perfect talaga nila yung ganito.
Project scanner.
Kojima ba naman eh. Bago i-releasean, syempre, yung physics niya, no? Yung pag-scan ng... Ibang klase rin talaga eh.
Verifying ID. Clear. Cargo verified. Thank you.
Okay na. Make delivery. Wait. Tama ba? Confirm. Okay.
Delivering cargo.
Thank you. We've all been feeling the loss of Central Knot. No one seemed to know what it meant for the organization. The oxytocin will take the edge off, and that'll be a big hit. Won't be long before we're back on track. We may have a luck of it. This is great. Yeah,
Everything looks good in order.
Soon our way station will be to it.
Ano yung dineliver natin? Smart drug? Para saan yung smart drugs?
Panggamot niya ata.
Next.
You're with the second.
You're with the second team.
Where are the
Where
others?
are the others?
Dead.
Dead.
Caught in the void out.
Yun yung kanina, yung mga naka-yellow.
That one blast got them all.
Corpse Disposal Team.
Ngayon, CD.
CDT.
CT team.
Ay, CDT6.
3 years.
They've been waiting for what?
3 years. And they send us what? Shit. Tell me you.
Mas naiintindihan ko ni story pag inulit.
I've got the Cupid.
Well, then you just make me. So what do you wait?
Ano mo na? Tama mo. Oh. Hindi naman siya nakaka-boring na game eh. Basta iintindihin mo lang eh.
Oo.
Hindi naman kasi tulad ng mga Elden Ring to eh na...
Yung majority ng mga yung Resident games ng game. Pero medyo nasasawa na naman din sila.
Oo. Parang stress, no?
Stress.
Grind. Ang Elden Ring, grind din eh, no?
Path of Exile.
Path of Exile. ARPG.
Skill 3.
Me, I've never met her. Only. Well, anyway. You best be. There's
Ano na, FPS game.
More than good, some say.
Well, FPS game naman, iba naman. Parang more on skills development siya.
Thank you, Sam.
Right.
Pero ito, kung gusto mo manood ng parang movie style, chill, connected na. So, one down. So, kukonect natin, West Station, Capital Knot, going dun. Ba, to Port Knot City. Kapit na lang kayo sa PLDT, boys. Para lagyan, no? Internet.
Collapse na nga din sa site. Wala nang internet.
Wala nang internet. Ano ba to?
Ang tawag na lang sa internet siguro dyan. Paano yan? Sa ano? Chiral network.
Should prove useful.
Okay. Orders from saan ba? Tama dito? Orders from Sam, no? JD?
Oh.
Main to eh, di ba?
Ayun yung ano, main quest.
Yung ano, main quest.
Article yan.
So basta may star, ito yung main quest. Alright.
Side quest lang yung diamond.
Ladder, kailangan ba natin? PCV. PC. O, kailangan natin to. Pang stable. PC no? PC level 1. Wala pa ako nito eh. Kuha ko isa.
Isa lang?
Isa lang.
Pang ano yan?
Paano kunin nga ulit?
Ano yan? Generator. Charger.
Tapos, climbing anchor. Kailangan ko ba?
Huwag na.
Ladder.
Well, kung palagi kayo naglalagay ng ladder, kasi di naman kayo palagi naglalagay ng ganyan.
So, huwag na. Load all.
Auto range na lang.
F.
Yan yung ano yan.
Offload.
Load all. Auto range.
Yun. Kaso dahil naiiwan eh.
Ano? Ay, not carried. Yung mga not carried.
Eto?
Yan yung mga kailangan
deliver.
Select all nyo. One by one.
Select all? Paano ba select all?
Middle select multiple. Middle click.
Okay. Okay.
Carry on back.
Paano? Right click? Oh.
Ayun ano? Move to. Ay, carry on back.
Putik, ang dami.
Okay lang yan. PCC. 45.8 kilogram lang naman. Si PCC. Attach siya sa suit nyo.
Ladder.
Okay na yan? Okay na yan.
Meron na ba akong ladder?
Dalawa nga eh.
Okay na.
May bigat eh.
Deliver na tayo sa customer natin. Galing ko. Larmal together. Saan tayo? What did you say? You mean I'm stupid? Ba't parang may X?
Weapons restrictions lifted.
Ha?
Aras yata yan. Yun yung smoke. Ah! Okay. Ah, magkoconnect yun.
I-connect mo. So, kailangan natin kabitan ng internet yung Nut City ba to?
So, connection sa chiral network.
Chiral network. Bisa natin. Buta na naman tayo ng mga multo. BT. Pagkam.
Tamboy nyo na lang.
Kaya nga eh.
Kasi
Ayun,
dami na puno naman na din ulit. Mode sa ano.
Ayun ay makukulit eh. Oh?
Ay, mga ano yan. Wag doon.
Oo nga eh, dito lang tayo.
Yan. Okay.
Ayun oh. Yaman sila.
Sam? Your cargo's been paid. Move. Now, before someone has eyes on you. Get to your destination ASAP if you don't
Yung
want
mga
to.
agent, Matrix agent yan eh.
Pwede door.
Wala kayo dyan.
Walang.
Oo. Okay.
Dasaanan niya.
Lapit na. Ang bilis naman tumakbo nito.
Oh! Ah! Balik. Time full.
Takot pala kayo sa ulan eh.
Accelerate. Matulog. Cheer. Baka na nila kakainin sila ng
In trouble, huh? Good thing it was raining. Even they know better than to mess with BTs.
Takot sa BT. Buti na lang, kampi natin si Ed Kaluwag. Dito ba daw taas?
Doon lang. May charger. Ay, yung charger, ano yun? Station pala yun.
Iwan ko na. Gusto na natin. Diyan na naman yung mga BT boys. Whoa! Kalma.
Mabilis.
Hihinto, no?
Ay, kunin nyo kaya yun, no? Emergency gas fuel. Feeling ko parang pang anin eh, sa...
Nako. Yung sabi na natin eh.
Wala ba? That's weird. Oh, no. Oh, come on, man.
Kaya ano pa lang. Palapit pa lang.
Kaya assign yun, nandiyan sila. Hindi na kunin?
Hindi na nga.
Nalala ko pala, ano? Kuha niyo din pala yun, later on. Solve nila kung paano yun, ano na. Bukol. Watch lang kaya, tapos solve mo yung question niya. Ayun na.
Ha?
Una, takbo.
Dito.
Takbo!
Dito.
Jeep. No. Kill jeep. Sino? Sila na ano? Jeep. Dali.
Yeah. Shake off. Kaya pa. Kaya pa. Shake off. Ay, nakatak tayo. Yeah, okay lang.
Nakakagad.
Oo.
Kaya nyo yan.
Kailangan doon tayo sa medyo walang ano eh. Iyak na yung baby.
Doon na. Namagawa yun kasi Buma! Papa.
Oh.
Kaya ako walang safe spot talaga. Palipan!
Sa taas, safe spot. Ayun na. Natin. Okay na.
Looks like I got away.
Ooh.
Well.
Ah, sir. Kaya mo ba?
G. Suit niyo yung baby.
G? Ano, little bro?
F. Little bro.
Oh my god.
F.
Okay ka lang, little bro? Paano i-suit? W? Tulog eh.
Sa ano yung console, ginagano eh.
Oo. Okay, nalog.
Okay na.
Chill ka lang, little bro.
Oh, oh.
Ba't ah?
Dapat di pa na.
Di ba pwede?
Dapat.
3? Kain ka muna.
Okay na.
Wala na eh, pagod na eh. Oh. Wala ba siya stamina? Inom ka ng energy drink, Monster. Yun.
Oh.
Nangyari.
Something wrong, Sam?
I don't know. Kid doesn't look so hot.
Nothing to worry about. Its functions are temporarily suspended, but they can be restored. I can perform the necessary maintenance at a distribution center. Hurry though.
Ilang baby yan, may maintenance.
Baby?
Ha?
Ah. G.
Ha?
Sige. Ano ba?
Lapit na.
When the strain on your PP exceeds sustainable levels, it triggers the production of harmful compounds, and the body, in essence, begins to attack itself.
Pwede ba rito? Kano tayo?
Ay, huwag maglagay ng lagi. Wait.
Drop by your private room and see if the incubator helps.
Pwede?
Ayaw maglagay ng lalo.
Saan?
Pwede yan.
Pwede doon. Kaya. Pag red lang talaga hindi pwede. Oh!
Muntik yun.
Muntik. Buti na lang. Pwede na yung motor.
Wala pa yan. Yung charger. Generator yan.
Pala yung generator.
Baby. Wow, nang
Beginning scan. Scanning bridges ID. Verifying ID. Clear. All weapons will remain on until departure. Cargo verified. Decontaminating suit. Rest is advised.
Rest is advice. Rekta na tayo rito.
Ay, ano man na, cargo muna. Make delivery.
Paano na lang pag si Sam nag-deliver sa Pilipinas, no? Oh.
Lalakad lang.
Traffic cam.
Episode 2 na pala tayo.
Kaya nga, episode 2 na nga. Pabuti na lang episode 3 kaya. 3.
Parang tagal din eh.
Tagal yung 3, no?
Sam Bridges.
Tingnan natin, nasa tayo abot.
So what's your talk must.
Busy.
Parang may 23% damage. Awesome pa naman eh. Oh.
Okay. Do you mind?
Connect nyo na yung fiber optic. Matrix eh, no? Okay na muna pala to siguro. Nakapag-strand naman tayo, new strand established na. So dalawa na kaagad.
Sam, as
Good job.
always, thanks for bringing more folks into it.
Next. Oh.
Looks like we're on the chiral network.
Chiral network.
Think of it as our way of returning the favor.
May bibigay niya. Head west. Talagang west talaga eh, no? Punta natin eh.
The distro centers on the network.
Papunta sa Port Tagus City.
Good work.
Lagay lang natin si
BB.
Si BB.
Rocket.
Wait. BB. Si. Gaan ng gatas. Bridges.
Dead man, you there? Little help?
Okay, sir. Remove the
Remove
body
the
connected
body.
to that incubator.
Paano kaya yan, no? Yung womb from fetus nakalagay dyan, tapos nakikita mo lumalaki na nasa salamin instead na nasa loob ng kanina.
Hindi yata lumalaki yan eh.
Pero ang lupit niya kung may ganyan eh.
Temporary excessive stress. Easily
From
addressed.
fetus, tapos lalaki siya ng ganyan. Parang kung naiisip mo yung mga ginagawang technology
Located in the capital Node City ICU.
Parang
Brain dead, of course.
Di mo alam kung posible o hindi.
Correct.
Kasi gumagawa sila ng mga ganitong
facilitates a connection between the world of the dead and the BB. And you, in turn, connect yourself to a BB, granting you the ability to sense BTs. These pods were designed to simulate the conditions inside the mother's womb.
Sinisimulate niya, no?
At all times to function properly. However, we can only maintain this deception for so long, which is why we must periodically update the environmental data by synchronizing it with a still mother via the chiral network. There. The update is in progress. Right now, the pod is synchronizing with the Steel Mother in Capital Note City and reconfiguring its settings based on the latest data. Returning your BB to the womb in this manner will temporarily reduce its stress level. That being where it technically belongs, of course.
Ensure lock is tight.
Kid looks happy.
I'll try it.
Oxytocin dosage. Mga ganun pa eh.
Much lower from now on.
Scientific pa pinag-aralan eh, no? Pinag-isipan.
You should remember that BBs are just equipment. Try not to get attached. Each one has been physically removed from its steel mother's womb. A process that renders them unpredictable and prone to failure.
Ibig sabihin lang yan, complicated talaga yung paglaki ng bata. Hindi siya basta-basta.
Before this expedition is over.
And then? You saying there's no way to keep my BB alive?
You must understand, there is still a great deal we don't know about BBs. As we expand the chiral network and recover more past data, perhaps we'll find our answers. Right. You asked me to look into why the BTs might be reacting to your blood. I spoke with Hartman. We should have your results soon. Anyway, get some rest. You and your BB are both exhausted. Good night, Sam.
What? Naka-hologram pala si ano? Deadman.
Na.
Ba't niya nilalak? Ha? Pinoposas niya? Para walang kumuha sa kanya, ganun?
London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady. Sam, can you see me?
How are things over there?
Still not under guard. Still not chained up. Still can't leave. But if you can keep making connections, if you can get to me, we can go back east, back home. Thank you. I mean that. It's bad. There are fewer and fewer people in the cities these days. No one's having children anymore. But humans aren't made for living alone. They're supposed to come together, to help one another. And if we as a people can't do that, if we can't reconnect, then, well,
politics
it's like
talaga.
Bridget said.
If we can connect extinction, no ano man.
Rebuilding America isn't gonna get rid of the BTs.
BTs, di ibig sabihin, yun yung mga in concept ng Death Stranding, sila yung parang humahatak sa'yo pababa. Di ba yung kinakwento ko nga eh? Pag di talaga kayo, hindi niya talaga
I'll be waiting, Sam.
ako mawala dun sa ano. Lalim nga nung message na to eh. Nung message ng game.
Marami nagkasabi, it's more than just a game.
Waiting for you. Come and find me.
Boom. Tattoo niya kaya yan, literal? Parang tattoo ni Norman Reedus talaga yan eh.
Ay, yata.
Hello, Sam. This is Hartman. Since you're awake, it might behoove you to freshen up. To that end, why not take a shower? It's good for the body and
Dark
soul,
lang ba yung ano, yung...
and also my research into
Dark?
habits.
Deadman yun eh.
Hindi. Si ano yun? Si Hartman yan. Yung mapayat. Nakaka-glasses. Si Deadman yung mataba. Nakapuli red.
Sam, this is Hartman. Deadman relayed your request to me, as I oversee DD research. I'll be taking a sample of your shower water in order to study the effects your bodily fluids might have on the BT.
Study other people with dooms?
Everyone is Richard, myself and Tanaka. Results thus far are inconclusive. But you do possess other singular
Kaya nila kinokollect kasi yung BT nasa katawan niya yung hangin. No? Para makuha nila yung sample. Pet. Waste product. Fencing.
There, take the sample with you. Should the opportunity arise, try using it on a BT. I'm curious to see how they react.
So gagamitin niya to, sample sa
May
BT.
even prove beneficial to you. There was an old research paper detailing the effects of bodily fluids from individuals like us on BTs. It is only by recovering these materials that we can unearth the knowledge of the past. Not just the Death Stranding, but also the mystery of your body's unique properties and even our doom's affliction. There may well be hope for humanity. Sam, I have no interest in rebuilding America.
Sobrang advanced
I
nitong
want to recover the past.
world nila, pero
It's almost
dami
time.
pa rin hindi nadidiscover sa katawan ng tao.
After you make your connections and nothing happens, then what? I said, then what?
Wala na.
Hmm?
Hindi na.
Wala na si ano?
Hartman.
Hartman.
Sam, sorry to bother you while you're taking a break, but I figured you'd want to hear this. Hell, maybe it'll help you rest easier. We received a number of messages addressed to you. I've not taken a look myself, but I gather they're mostly from your clients. You should see if they contain any useful information. Mail can be accessed via your cufflinks, as well as the terminal in your private room. There's something else I'd like to share with you. With the Chiral Network, we now have the power to reclaim our past. Data once thought lost forever from every corner of America can be pieced back together from fragmented records. Our archives are still a work in progress, of course. But as we expand the network and integrate more way stations and cities, we'll be able to recover more and more information, such as the previous expedition's logs and reports. Everything they sent back was lost when Central Knot City was destroyed. Now, we've managed to restore some already, in fact. You can access them from a private room terminal or your cufflinks by selecting
Cufflinks.
Might make for interesting reading.
Okay. Ah. Ano panid natin? Leave? Pwede na, di ba? Ano leave?
Abe, hanggang 3.
Okay na siguro to.
Okay, ito na lang agad.
Isn't what we agreed on. You said you'd do everything in your power to save BB.
Just yet, believe me when I tell you, it's not for the best. It's for the best.
The woman in the mask who's done nothing but lie to me.
Woman in the mask. Woman in the mask.
Sam, out of curiosity, how's it doing at the moment?
Before I answer that,
Something wrong?
when I hook up my BB, I see things.
What kind of things?
Like a face, someone I don't know, calling to me. There's this room, too, with other people talking, but I can't make out the words.
Lead-through effect.
Hindi rin nila kilala eh, no? Sino eh.
You're mistaking the BB's
Wow.
memories for your own.
Yung nagsasalita dun sa
Nothing more.
flashbacks ni ano.
A
A BB is harvested
from its
from
steel
its
mother at around 28 weeks and placed in a pot. To be clear, this is before it's even born.
The procedure halts its development.
But even at 28 weeks, its sensory systems have matured enough to process external stimuli. It is more than capable of encoding this information into memories, which can bleed into yours via your connection.
So who's the man I saw?
Someone from the medical team, maybe? Or a BB technician? Does it matter? The BB has been in circulation for a while now. It's been handled by a lot of people. How should I know
Which one made an impression?
Because you're the expert.
No
No
one's an
one's
expert.
expert. BBs were developed decades
ago
ago.
in secret. They're your
Ah.
quintessential black boxes. We may
We may use them, but we don't truly understand them.
Believe me, I've been
I've been trying to learn more, but almost all of the old records are gone.
If I find anything out, I'll tell you, all right? Dead man's on.
Sam, check the delivery terminal and review the list of orders.